Full bar. One guy. One guy.
I've said no, and one said maybe. I'm taking it as a yes.
Like in the machine.
The Marvel comics come to life.
One of these robots, the basics of the robot are typically made. It's getting more efficient. I don't know. You could say like maybe 5 to 8% a year would be nickel. So the lithium is maybe 2 or 3% of the content.
The DeLorean, that's it. DeLorean was, I think it was the first, no? I don't know. Maybe.
The car in Back to the Future was a DeLorean.
Oh, it's probably wrong.
This is very good when you feel something, and then that's our Model S flag actually. That's the.
See it on the board.
And you know, the cooling. Yeah, and you're difficult to, these connectors are sometimes difficult to connect, and
I don't know if he's got one of the job.
yeah. Hey guys.
That's where they chip you also.
Yeah. Well, yes.
This is the future. We're in it.
Yeah.
And Elon has been amazingly generous with his time and his vision, but not only to us, I think for humanity. Really amazing. Nothing short of it.
No se on my
לא שומעים כלום, אלוהים.